Welcome viewers. We want to solve if x to the power of 2 multiply 4 to the power of x raised to the power 2 is equal to 1. Then, what will be the value of x? Let us dive in. Please kindly subscribe to my channel to talk later so quickly. We go on. Solution. It is given to solve x to the power of 2 multiply 4 to the power of x to the power of 2 all equal to 1. Okay, the first step that I will take is to divide both sides of the equation by x to the power of 2. And that means I'll have x to the power of 2 into 4 to the power of x to the power of 2 equal to 1. Then divided by x to the power of 2 and also by the left divided by x to the power of 2. By doing this, we can see that x to the power of 2 by the left hand side and the denominator will divide x to the power of 2 at the numerator, leaving me by the left hand side with 4 raised to the power x raised to the power 2 equal to 1 all over x to the power of 2. The next step that I will take is that I will multiply the powers by 1 all over x to the power of 2. What it means is that I am going to have 4 to the power of x to the power of 2 all multiplied by the power of 1 all over x to the power of 2, and by the right hand side I will do the same, 1 all over x to the power of 2, then to the power of 1 all over x to the power of 2. The reason why I am doing this is because the law of indices will play out, the exponential law of indices will play out. And what it means is that from the left hand side, it is now going to be, for me, 4, okay, you have power of x to the power of 2 will multiply with what I have outside the bracket, and that becomes x to the power of 2 divided by x to the power of 2, then equal to 1 all over x to the power of 2, then 1 all over x to the power of 2. Good. You can now see that x to the power of 2 at the denominator also can divide with x to the power of 2 at the numerator, and by the left hand side I am left with just 4 without x. Good. And from the right, I have 1 all over x to the power of 2 into 1 all over x to the power of 2. But 4 can also be expressed as 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 all over x to the power of 2, then to the power of 1 all over x to the power of 2. Now, the law of indices we playing out, it means that I will have a to the power of a equal to b to the power of b. And by this a is equal to b, meaning that a will be equal to b. So what it means here is that the base by the right hand side is 1 all over x to the power of 2. Okay? Therefore, the base, which is 2 from the left, will be equal to the base by the right, and also the power from the left will be equal to the power by the right hand side. Concluding that 2 now here will be equal to 1 all over x to the power of 2. This is over 1. I can now take a cross multiplication. Therefore, 2 to the power of x to the power of 2 multiply 2 will give me 2x to the power of 2, and 1 multiply 1 will give me 1. Therefore, I have x to the power of 2 equal to 1 all over 2. Okay? Moving forward, what is left now is to take square root of both sides, meaning that x now will be equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 all over 2. And this is going to be, for me, plus or minus 1 all over square root of 2 as the value of x. Just a quick one, we check the result from the original question. I am given x to the power of 2 multiplied by 4, then to the power of x to the power of 2 all equal to 1. I want to see if I decrease the value of x, whether it will give me the right hand side and the left hand side equal. And from what we have here, 1 all over square root of 2. Okay? You can see here I have x to the power of 2, and here also I have x to the power of 2. What it means is that x to the power of 2 is the same thing as 1 all over square root of 2, then to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 all over 2. Okay? Meaning that x to the power of 2 is simply equal to 1 all over 2. Applying it here, I can now write x to the power of 2, which is equal to 1 over 2, will be written here, multiplied by 4, to the power of x to the power of 2, which is to the power of half. Is this equal to 1? That is what I want to find out, because x to the power of 2 is here equal to 1 all over 2. So I have replaced 4 to the power of x to the power of 2, then to become 4 to the power of 1 over 2, since x to the power of 2 is equal to 1 half. Therefore, this is presented as 1 all over 2 multiplied by square root of 4. Will this be equal to 1 to the right hand side? And this is equal to 1 all over 2 multiplied by 2 all over 1, because the square root of 4 is 2. Is this equal to 1? And of course, yes, 2 cancel out 2 will give us 1 equal to 1. But indicating that the value of x is equal to plus or minus 1 all over the square root of 2. Thank you, dear friends. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and may God bless you for watching.